हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम वंस अगेन टू माय चैनल कृष्णा सिंहदेव। पिछली क्लास में हमने क्लास 12 के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए डेथ का चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था एंड डेथ के चैप्टर में जो सबसे डिफिकल्ट पॉइंट है हाउ टू कैलकुलेट शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट ऑफ द डिसीज्ड पार्टनर, वो हमने करना शुरू किया था। इसके दो पार्ट्स होते हैं बच्चों, जैसे कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था। among these two parts we had discussed the first part in which we calculate share of profit of the partner on the basis of previous year's profit or average profit of couple of years. Now in today's video we are going to see the part 2. This is part 2 of video. All those who have missed seeing the previous video, the link will be given in description box and in the I button also. You can check from there. Previous video में हमने average profit of past couple of years and previous year के profit की basis के ऊपर एक question करके देखा था। आज का जो पार्ट है वो है पार्ट नंबर 2, जहां पर मैं डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ how do we calculate share of profit of deceased partner when the profit is to be calculated on the basis of previous year's turnover and profit. In this kind of questions, what happens? They will give you the turnover of previous year and they will also give you the profit of previous year. Now, first of all, you have to calculate the ratio of profit and turnover of previous year. This profit, I'm not specifying whether it is gross profit or net profit because question will not specify anything like that. So we just have to calculate the profit and RFO ratio, means return from operation, revenue from operation, not return, revenue from operation. This is to be taken out. Then they will give you the sales or turnover till the date of partner's death. Then that percentage which you had calculated on previous year's profit, you will apply over here. And this percentage will give the profit of firm till the date of death of partner. Now, this has to be multiplied by partner's share. Only thing which we have to take in mind, keep in mind over here is that we do not have to take into consideration the number of months partners survive. Only we have to take into consideration the profit sharing ratio of the partner because the sales till the date of death is given. So here we do not have to take out the proportionate sale till the date of death of partner. So only difference between the average profit and this method is that there we take into consideration number of months of his survival also. Here number of months of his survival are not to be taken into consideration. As you can see over here, when share of profit or loss is calculated on the basis of turnover, what do? Step number 1 is that calculate profit of the previous year and profit of previous year and sales. Ratio of previous year's profit and sales is to be calculated. Then profit percentage will come to know, and on the basis of this profit percentage, you will apply on the current year's turnover, which will be till the date of partner's death. Then multiply it with his profit sharing ratio. So it is written over here, highlighted under green. We don't have to take into consideration number of months. Okay, we don't have to take number of months in calculation over here. So we can completely ignore number of months of survival in this case. Now we will solve one question, and this question is taken from ISC specimen paper 2018. You may think this is very old. Yes, it is old, but yet important because this is based completely on this topic. And I took this question purposely just to show you people that see this question, this particular question has come in the question specimens paper of one of the boards. Even if you do not belong to ISC board, you are from CBSE board or any other board, it is equally important for you because when this particular topic is going to be taught to you or this particular topic is going to be examined, these questions become important. And this particular topic is really very important because everything else in death is almost same as retirement. Only this topic is different. So they are going to judge you on the basis of this topic. So let's get started. There is a question. Sara, Sita and Meena are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, Sara dies here. This is to sign is not there. I will just put it. Okay, 2:2. You have to get the cursor down. Okay, so here the profit sharing ratio among the partners is 2:1, And Sarah dies on 30th of June. 30th of June means her period of survival is 3 months. Whereas the firm closes its books on 31st March every year. According to their partnership deed, Sarah's representatives would be entitled to get share in the interim profit of the firm calculated on the sales basis. Sales and profit for the year 2016-17 were 26 lakh and 1,80,000. So now the first step you have to remember, student, first step is that you have to take the profit of previous year, divide by revenue from operation of previous year and multiply it by 100. By doing this step, what are you going to get? You are going to get what is the percentage of profit in the previous year. And sales in the year is given till the date of Sarah's death, that is 1,20,000. They have asked you to calculate Sarah's share of interim profit, pass necessary journal entries for giving Sarah's share of profit, interim profit. Okay, so we will do working note first of all. So this is our working. Working will show percentage of profit of previous year. And here I am going to write 1,80,000, which was previous year's profit, divided by previous year's turnover, which was 26 lakh, and multiplied 100. So by doing this, what I am going to get? I am getting the share of profit of previous year. So the share of profit, percentage of profit of previous year. Students, I just found out that there was some mistake. This is not 26 lakh, it is 6 lakh. So I've corrected over here. Yes, the students who have not yet taken the screenshot of this, you can pause the video over here and take the screenshot of this question, because this is an important question. So you should have this question with you. And once we finish with today's topic, you will get these notes and the solved question on my app Krishna's classes under free study resources. Okay, so let's get started. We had done till here. Because of mistake, I changed it and I was getting a profit wrong. Figure was coming in some 6 point something, which I thought that it cannot be correct profit, because usually profit comes in the absolute number in such kind of question. Usual practice is that, but don't get confused if ever your profit comes into the points. That does not mean you have done it wrong. You check it against what your figures are, but it can be in points also. Here the profit is 30%. I checked, there was a mistake and I corrected it. It was 6 lakh rupees. Previous year's turnover was 6 lakh rupees here. So I changed it and this is 6 lakh rupees. Now we have come to know under our step number 1 that what is the profit percentage of previous year. Now what do we have to do? We have to calculate the profit of the current year. The current year's profit, how are we going to calculate? We have been given the sales or turnover till the date of Sarah's death. So current year's profit is going to be 30% multiplied by the sales of current year. The sales of current year is given over here. It is 1,20,000 rupees. So 1,20,000 rupees we'll write over here, and 1,20,000 multiplied by 30% is 36,000 rupees. But students, do remember this 36,000 is not Sarah's share. It is 36,000 is the profit of firm. So we have to calculate Sarah's share. So Sarah's share of profit is 36,000 multiplied by what is Sarah's share. Let me go and check. The partners are sharing profit in 2:1 ratio, means Sarah's share is 2/5 into 2/5. When I do 2/5, Sarah's share of profit is coming 14,400 rupees. So this is the first answer. They've asked us two things. Number one, this one, calculate Sarah's share of interim profit, and then they have asked us to pass the journal entry for giving Sarah's share of interim profit. Now, when we pass journal entry, students, we have to be very careful in reading the question, and we have to find out whether the profit sharing ratio among the continuing partners is changing or no. If profit sharing ratio among the continuing partners is not changing, then we will have to open profit and loss suspense account. But in case the profit sharing ratio among the continuing partners partners is changing, then we will not open profit and loss suspense account. Here, there is no information like this that other partners, Sita and Meena, are going to change their profit sharing ratio in the future. So we are going to open profit and loss suspense account. Profit and loss suspense account will be debited, and Sarah's capital will be credited for her share of profit. So journal entry is going to be this. I'm not making the format of journal entry, but do remember you have to make the format of journal entry in the exam, and you have to write the narration as well. So I'm going to pass the journal entry, profit and loss suspense account. Debit to Sarah's capital account, which is 14,400. So here is the journal entry for Sarah's share of capital. So students, this is very simple. Only thing is that when you read the question, you have to be very, very careful in reading the question. Yes, I will just show you once the calculation. So till the time you don't get the notes, though you will get it immediately after this video, but still while working, if you don't want to go there and take the notes printout, you just see over here, take the screenshot from here and take the screenshot of this part also. With this, we are done with the topic of profit and loss, share of profit and loss. But there is one more case left that will be done in the third part. And these two parts are basically based on the calculation. The third part is when the profit sharing ratio among the partners is changing, how do we pass the entry? Calculations and everything is going to be same. Only the journal entry and calculation of gaining ratio will come over there, which we have to learn. So students, I hope you understood this topic, and if you think that this channel is benefiting you, please do subscribe to my channel and share and like the video with others also who can get benefited. We'll meet once again. Till then, bye. Keep studying and take a lot of care of your health because your exams are very close. So it's important to have good food, to take proper sleep and rest properly.